Now, Mary Reale and then Peter Reale.
Mr. Chairman and members of the committee, my name is Mary Reale, and I reside in Boise in District 21, Senator Fulcher's district. I became involved in Occupy Boise at its inception 4 months ago, and I participated in every march and almost all of the major events since then. I attend 3 meetings a week at least, and I'm available on Thursdays at the tent that has a big public information sign on it at the corner of 6th and Jefferson. I've been interviewed by a lot of reporters, TV reporters. I've spoken at local organizations and church groups. I've written editorials. I've emailed concerned citizen letters to all of you, actually, and I've got some replies here I want to give you before I leave, and also many of your colleagues. I've also emailed all the senators in the United States Senate and many other people in the House of Representatives. I do a lot of writing. To be honest, I don't have a tragic or especially compelling personal story, but I've heard far too many, and of course the past 3 years since the financial meltdown, and in good conscience cannot just continue business as usual, knowing what's going on in this country. Foreclosures, unemployment, diminishing wages and benefits, increasing taxes, educational and medical expenses are increasing debt, poverty, all those issues. I'd like to know what happened to justice and fairness. What's happened to our democracy? What's happened to the American dream? And who is speaking out for the average person? Some legislators have asked, well, if you're speaking out for the 99%, then what does Occupy want? What does Occupy Boise want? And I would rephrase that question to what issues resonate with many citizens here in Idaho and throughout the country. And in no particular order, some items that we have discussed at our meetings over in the big green tent and elsewhere are these. Publicly financed elections and adopt state laws to prohibit corporate donations to political campaigns, as is now, I guess, in current Montana state law. Create a state bank that would invest in Idaho's economy rather than risky speculative ventures. Establish a local option tax for Idaho cities or counties that's subject to a 2/3 majority approval of voters within the taxing district. Adopt anti-usury laws to limit the annual percentage rate and fees on consumer loans. Have an investigation of the widespread foreclosure fraud. Fair tax structure, reinstatement of Glass-Steagall. Reverse the Citizens United decision, a very odious one that creates corporate personhood and equates money with free speech, while there are many people, real human beings in this country, who are being ignored. Anyway, the list goes on, and I have it here in my testimony. I would like to say that some of these, if they could actually be passed, would dramatically improve the conditions in Idaho and throughout the United States. And I would like to end my statement saying that the concerns of Occupy Boise are the concerns of we the people, all of us. We're all in this together. Everyone in this room, including all of you, is we the people. And that's what we are attempting to express. These very serious concerns that are in our society right now, that something needs to be done about it. We can't just go on business as usual. So thank you for your time. That's all I have to say.
Thank you. Are there any questions? Thank you very much.
Okay, I have some letters here for Senator Fulcher, Senator McGee, and Senator Davis. I responded to their replies online.
If you would give those to the page, we can.
And also I have copies of my testimony for everyone.
Great. Thank you. Peter Reale and then Mike Despot.